In any compressed air station, availability is paramount, but ensuring it can be time-consuming because the organization and implementation of service activities require a lot of time and effort. KAESER Kompressor and Sigma Air Manager 4.0 helps you both to save time and to safeguard that availability. It records and processes current operating data for real-time display on any device with an internet browser, laptop, mobile, or tablet. This provides you with a permanent overview of the maintenance status of your air station, allowing service intervals to be optimized according to your future requirements. All you need to do is call KAESER Service and arrange an appointment. We'll do the rest. Sigma Air Manager 4.0, the future of intelligent compressed air supply.